Ready to learn about the history of the United Arab Emirates? Guess each answer in 10 seconds. In what year was the United Arab Emirates founded? Options: A. 1961, B. 1971, C. 1981. The correct answer is, the United Arab Emirates was founded in 1971.
Yay!
Who is considered the founding father of the UAE? Options: A. Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, B. Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, C. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. The correct answer is, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan is considered the founding father of the UAE.
Yay!
How many emirates make up the UAE? Options: A. 5, B. 7, C. 9. The correct answer is, the UAE is made up of 7 emirates.
Yay!
Which emirate is the largest by area? Options: A. Dubai, B. Abu Dhabi, C. Sharjah. The correct answer is, the largest emirate by area is Abu Dhabi.
Yay!
What was the UAE called before its formation in 1971? Options: A. Trucial States, B. Arabian Peninsula, C. Gulf States. The correct answer is, before its formation in 1971, the UAE was called the Trucial States.
Yay!
Which major event in 1971 marked the unification of the UAE? Options: A. Discovery of oil, B. Signing of the Union Agreement, C. Independence from Britain. The correct answer is, the major event in 1971 that marked the unification of the UAE was the signing of the Union Agreement.
Yay!
What important natural resource was discovered in the UAE in the 1950s? Options: A. Gold, B. Oil, C. Natural gas. The correct answer is, the important natural resource discovered in the UAE in the 1950s was oil.
Yay!
Which traditional sport has been practiced in the UAE for centuries? Options: A. Cricket, B. Camel racing, C. Polo. The correct answer is, the traditional sport that has been practiced in the UAE for centuries is camel racing.
Yay!
What is the national day of the UAE celebrated? Options: A. December 2nd, B. November 1st, C. January 1st. The correct answer is, the National Day of the UAE is celebrated on December 2nd.
Yay!
Which landmark event in the UAE's history took place in 2020? Options: A. Hosting the World Expo. B. Launching the Mars mission. C. Winning the Asian Cup in football. The correct answer is the landmark event in the UAE's history that took place in 2020 was launching the Mars mission.
Yay!
You did an amazing job.